Oh, somebody made you so beautiful.
Okay, so today let's explore the old Bangkok, Thonburi side. Hi guys, it's me, Jeffrey from Travel Bites. Today we're gonna start our trip here at Uttayan Suan Somdej Ya. Right here is a very interesting park. We can learn many different things. Khet Khong San, or across the river at Thonburi side.
Let's start the morning with this little but beautiful public park, the Princess Memorial Park or Somdej Ya Park. Looking around and see all this nature. When we walk inside, it is peaceful, calm, and you can smell the beautiful fragrance of Thai flower like the jasmine, beep, or lilawati flower. The locals call this park Uttayan Somdej Ya. We will find the statue of the king's grandmother here, sitting in a peaceful pose, smiling, enjoying the surrounding. There is also a museum inside the park exhibiting history of the king's grandmother and her belongings, a replica house of Somdej Ya when she was a young girl. We can see how she lived a simple, peaceful life. You can take a rest in this octagon pavilion built in occasion the 8th cycle of Somdej Ya. The sandstone carving displayed the royal activities of the king's grandmother, which is highly appreciated by Thai people. Here is the example of Ma Fa Ruang parade that presents respectful honor to Somdej Ya. Do you guys know what is the worst month for trees? It's September! My daughter loved that one. Okay, let's continue with our tour.
Okay, a little bit more information. So Bangkok used to be on this side. We call it Thonburi side. There's a Chao Phraya River right in the middle, and this Thonburi side used to be the capital. And then later on, in the age of King Rama I, we moved the capital from this side of the river to the other side. So today we are on Thonburi, or the capital. Another very interesting place is here at the Guan Yu Shrine. A little bit backstory about the person we are going to go in and worship.
I'm sure many of you guys heard the name Guan Yu, a brave Chinese warrior well known for his integrity. So today let's learn how to shrine the right way. Guan Yu Shrine is right behind the King's Grandmother's Park. This shrine is in Khong San. It is now 282 years old, built in 1729 AD in the Ayutthaya period, and is known as the oldest shrine in Thailand. Walking around the shrine, you can feel the history around it. If we start from the front, you'll meet with the four keepers of the heaven, or Jatulokaban, and also a pair of old Chinese-style dragon. Beside the river lies the golden god of mercy, Xiao Me Guan Im, And on the second floor, there is also the Jade Emperor, Ongexian Hongte, and also the God of Luck. Now let's take a look inside. This is where the old shrine or the first shrine in Thailand is. Inside you see many different Guan Yu statues, some old, some new. The way to properly make your wish at the shrine is first, you light your incense and candle, put them away in the designated area. Now the trick of making your wish here at the Guan Yu Shrine is when making the wish, you have to bow your head and touch Guan Yu's ankle, showing your utmost respect, and all your wishes will come true. So let's try that out. Oh, one thing though, there is also a local belief that for women that have their monthly cycle should not pray or worship during that period. It will bring bad luck to them. The shrine is open from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. and as usual, I'll link the map and description down below. In my opinion, this is a great place with lots of history, and if you are into photography, this is a great, vibrant and colorful place to snap those Instagram bangers.
Alright, it's time for my meeting, so you guys better hold on and stay here. Catch you guys in a bit.
Alright, I'm finished with my meeting. Went pretty good. Now we're here at the Jam Factory, a unique location renovated from an old warehouse. This old multifunction warehouse is now quite a trend, renovating and modifying old warehouse into a raw style. Some people say it's the industrial look or the loft look. In my opinion, it's just the place to be right now. There's also a restaurant, a coffee shop, a furniture, decor, gallery, and a bookstore here. In this old city, Thonburi side has a great history with many hidden gems waiting to be discovered. And one thing to remember is don't forget to press that like and subscribe button if you did already.
If you prefer more like street food, there's Huang San Market nearby. It's only a couple of steps away, and there's lots of varieties for you. So I got this barbecue pork. Let's try that out. And that is it for us today. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Press that thumbs up if you like it. If you didn't, don't forget to comment down below why and let me know so I can improve. Like, subscribe. That's it for us today. Okay, gotta go. Bye.
Thanks for spending this time with me. I will bring you to many different interesting places every single week.